stopped at this place called Coupe.
Onion bhajias.
So we stopped at this place called Coupe in Mysore Pet, and we got these awesome cucumbers. They're very juicy.
Very crunchy and refreshing,
Yeah,
and an
and
amazing
they're
masala put.
spiced. Yeah.
Guys, do stop here. Do stop in this place called Coupe in Mysore Jilla. Hey guys, Soul Galavant is back again. This time me and Trisha have travelled to this lovely property called the Tamra Coorg, and we here have booked the Superior Luxury Cottage, and we'll be showing you the room tour basically. Our cottage is right in the front, and before that, before we get to the cottage, I just want to show you how lovely this property is. This is basically how the cottage looks like, and we have a lot of dense forest here and misty mountains around you. So let's go to our cottage, guys. So our room number is 203. This is a Superior Luxury Cottage. Okay. This is a small getaway for us after our kind of destination wedding in Goa. And Trisha here is gonna give you the room tour. Hello Trisha. Hi. Come in, come in. So guys, Trisha here, obviously excited about our cottage. She loves how it is. Surprised her.
I don't know why it's good.
So yeah, hi.
But here, look at our bed. So this is the bed. Okay. This is the sitting area. There's a TV and they have Netflix. And
So guys, this is a smart TV. There is Netflix on it. There is Amazon Prime. There's everything what you need in a superior luxury cottage they call. So this is a kind of a place where you can chill and have your drinks. There are some glasses here. There are amazing books about bugs. So Trisha, being a veterinary doctor, loves all these books.
Indian mammals.
All about Indian mammals, and I guess all these species which are there around these forest in Coorg. So basically a small library here. We have some wine glasses and whiskey glasses here.
These are binoculars.
We have binoculars, so we'll get back to that later. We'll show you how do we use them. This is a small area where you can make your coffee. This all is given to us by the cottage in the package, and there is a kettle for warming your water. We've been given drinking water, 4 bottles. One is there next to the bed and 3 here. And yeah, so this is how the rooftop looks like. It's completely wooden cottages, vintage, looks classy. And so yeah, this is let's go to the area where we kept our luggage. So this is a space they've given us to keep our luggage.
Space for one,
One,
2 over here, and you can even put the small luggage over here. And there are 2 wardrobes. One has a locker inside it.
yes.
Okay, and
This one has a locker, and you can keep all your valuables there. This one is the next one. Oh, we have bathrobes here. So, all the couples, look at this. You have bathrobes here.
this tells you about their laundry services.
Laundry services here. So yeah, these are nice 2 big wardrobes for quite easily good enough for. Oh, we
Pillows down
have some more pillows here. And now let's go to the bathroom, guys. So this is the washroom. Yay, looks quite spacious.
So they have a rain shower.
They have a rain shower here.
There's a hand shower as well.
There's a hand shower here.
Hot water throughout the day.
Hot water throughout the day, and yes,
They restocked your
quite a big commode there. And so all the necessary accessories, what are there? They have a dental kit here. There's a shower cap. Then there is a comb. There's a shaving kit. Everything what you need. For yourself.
and the hair dryer too.
There is an almond soap here. So let me focus these things for you. So almond rose soap. Okay, for you. Let's focus on these two. The care kit, comb, shaving kit, another soap here, shower cap, and
Dental kit.
please guys, please brush your teeth in the morning. You don't want to kiss your partner with bad breath. And yes, these are some towels arranged, hand towels. And nice ambient lighting here, looks quite neat. Actually everything what you need. Oh, there's a blow dryer there, Trisha, kind of showing off with her blow drying skills. So there's a mirror here, you can check yourself out. Like, we can see our camera here. Sorry, my face is being covered. But, you can see me here. Here's Elton, me, and yeah, I'm behind the cam. And
Let's show them the
okay, so the main part. Guys, we are walking through the property, and now we are heading towards the high tea, section. Basically, it's organized by the resort in the evening. They've told us that this is a special thing which they are doing till the 31st of December. So we're quite privileged that we could actually go ahead and get and be part of this whole IT setup. So let's go there, guys, and let's see how does it go. Ashraf is making filter coffee for us. So this is the decoction which she uses to make the filter coffee. We keep it overnight with the coffee powder, and whatever drips down from the filter is used for making filter coffee. Setup of the this is our chef here.
Yeah, he's Chef Sanjay.
Hi, Chef Sanjay. What's this chef's name?
Chef Manjula.
Hi, Chef Manjula. I'll just show them around the setup. Rustic look.
This kind piyaji. It's called
What is it called?
onion bhajia. Piyaji.
Oh, onion bhajia.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are onion bhajias.
Kalan ka sampo.
Hey everyone, we hope you enjoyed our day 1 in Coorg.
Stay tuned for more content like this. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel.